up, kinks? It is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is a That Nap Life video. I am showing y'all one of the main ways I like to live that bun life. This is one of those protective styles that can work in the summer, spring, fall, winter, what have you. Call it the all-season protective style, okay? And I also want to do a little get ready with me chit chat. Y'all ready? NappyFu checking in. Let go. Welcome back, y'all. Appreciate you letting me be all up on your screen yet again. If you're new to this channel, please join Team Kinks by subscribing, okay? And then hit that bell so you're notified next time I'm all up on your screen. While you're over there clicking on things, if you happen to find yourself connecting to this video today, go ahead and like it and share it, okay? Shout out to Her Giving Hair for teaming up with me on this video. They sent me out their drawstring ponytail, the kinky texture, and I have to say they definitely got the kinky part right. It really did mimic really closely to how coily and kinky our 4B, 4C hair can be. So what I ended up doing, because I knew I wanted something a bit more sleek, a bit more stretched, so I went ahead and just did a little blowout on it. Yep, sure did. Broke out my little Ruby Kiss or Red Kiss blow dryer, and I blew the whole thing out, and then I did some chunky two-strand twists all around it to give it a little bit of wave, which I ended up combing out anyway. But yeah, so that helped me to be able to be more versatile with the style. If I left it in its kinky, coily state, that would be a great look if I want to do a high ponytail with it or a high puff with it. But that's not what I was going for today. I was going for something that really could be called the everyday mega bun. And that's what I'm going to call it. The everyday mega bun. You can wear it to work, to school, to dinner, to coffee, whatever you want. It's easy, it's sleek, and it kind of gives you a little lifting, a little facelift if you want to call it that. Yeah, I think a lot of us likes buns because of the lift it does give us. But anyway, plus buns are just really, it's just so easy to rock. But you do have to be careful with buns, as y'all know, because too much tension around the edge area, you will be edgeless, okay? We do not want that tragedy to be happening because we are trying to look cute with our buns, please. So be mindful of that, y'all. Please excuse the excessive amount of deodorant I have in my armpit area. I clearly was trying to be overly fresh. As you can see, I went ahead and put my hair in a bun. I'm going to do two-strand twists, really loose, and I'm going to twist that or wrap that around each other and prepare it for the drawstring ponytail that's going to go right on top. In the morning, I do praise and worship. I listen to Spotify, so you will see me singing and probably doing some facial expressions. Just know that I'm praising my God, okay? So the bun, here it is, all stretched out. As you can see, a lot of ponytail space. I'm going to put this on my hair vertical style as opposed to horizontal, and I'm going to draw that string. Now, before I do that, I'm actually going to further secure it by pulling out some hair around the bun. So you're going to see me undo that and decide to go ahead and pull out a little bit of hair so that I will put that drawstring wrapped around that section too. And in my head, I think to myself that I'll just further secure it down. It really won't be going anywhere. The combs are securing, the drawstring is securing, but me also pulling out some hair is just further security. Okay? Yeah. Okay, you know what? If I also find me some golden string, that right there could be a style. Just draw it up on there. What song am I listening to right now? Got me just in the moment. Let's listen. Yes, 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 You Are Alpha by Israel Houghton. That song, if you want to get your worship on, that song right there, honey, okay. All right, y'all, so what I'm going to do is use bobby pins on this bun. I'm going to have the shorter part of the bobby pin facing down into my scalp. I get more security that way. I'm pretty much just going to twist this bun pin shape until I'm satisfied. I want this bun to look like it's coming from my scalp, so I don't want it to be too clean, but also don't want it to be too messy. I do have other bun videos, and one of them in which I used Her Giving Hair clip-ins. I don't know, y'all, this drawstring ponytail makes it a lot easier to do a bun style, a lot easier actually. Less steps, less work, in my opinion, you know what I'm saying? But it definitely gives you a lot more hair to work with too. All right, so this is what I came up with. I'm gonna go ahead and set it. I put like a little bit of gel, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to draw out the natural baby hairs that wants to come out. I'm not forcing nothing out, okay? There's not no force out baby hairs. No, baby hairs just come out easy. When you find yourself forcing stuff out, I don't think that's really baby hairs. That's just my opinion, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down my scarf and allow this to set while I get into my face. I love those eye gel pads that I use. Talked about it in other skin time videos, so make sure you check it out. In the morning, I do the whole facial massage, the eye massaging, all of that, especially with my eyes because I have puffy eyes, especially like it's even more in the morning because of the allergy life that I live, okay? So disrespectful, it doesn't want to go nowhere, but it mainly hits me in the morning and then it goes away throughout the day. All right, let's get into this phase. Let's get into a chit chat about my skin. I was asked, you know, what exactly have I been doing? And although I have several videos about products that I use, honestly, y'all, it's not even about what's being done externally. Externally just gives you that visual of it, but what really cures your skin is what you do internally. And I changed up my whole eating habits to where I'm just pescatarian now, y'all. No more chicken, red meat I stopped eating years ago. So once I became pescatarian, and of course I increased my water gain, I'm not gonna lie, my skin did a total 180. Like, it's not what it was before. And I've come to realize that my hormones just was not mixing well with the hormones of those chickens and stuff that I was eating. It was giving me cystic acne and all this other kind of crap. Want to know from y'all if you ever experienced this. Let us know in the comment box what was your experience, especially if you changed your eating habit and now maybe you're a vegan, you're a vegetarian, pescatarian. Let us know in the comment box what made you change and what changes did you notice in yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Some of y'all might not want to make drastic changes like this, but just do things in moderation because really, technically, and we know this, y'all, diet really does play a major role in our overall health. You change your diet to healthier options, you change your life. Speaking of life, come on, bun. Come through, Lippy. Yes, honey. And here we go. The look. Sorry, what did you say? Hey, my name is Cute. Okay. What's wrong with your girl? Okay. Anyway, y'all, I know I'm calling this the mega bun, but I probably could have got it bigger than this. So let's call it the baby mega, okay? Bun on deck, lips on deck. She ready. And now this brings us to another Nap Chat question, because earlier I did ask you about the whole diet, lifestyle, and everything. So make sure you answer that too. Now I want to know, in reference to today's video, what is your favorite protective style that you feel works no matter what season it is? Summer, winter, all of them. I feel like buns is definitely on the top of the list for me. What is yours? Let me know in the comment box below, and trust me, your response would definitely help another kink out. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that. I will catch you on the next one. Until then, my brother, my sister, my brother, please remember, in order to have healthy hair, you got to do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful.